everyone, and welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet over your tail or tails. So if you haven't already, then please check out my How to Add Yarn the Easy Way, and I will link to that tutorial video in the description. So I went ahead and added more yarn in my last row, and then I completed the rest of my row. And now I've worked my way back to my tails again. And for this pattern I am working single crochets, so all I'm going to do is insert my crochet hook in my next stitch just like this. Then I'm going to take my two tails or my one tail depending, and I'm going to line it up with the stitch on my crochet hook. So I'm basically just draping it over my crochet hook like this. From here, I'm just going to yarn over and pull up through the tail and through the stitch, just like normal, and then I'm going to complete my single crochet stitch by dropping my two loops. And then all you're going to do from here is just repeat that process until you've completely hidden your tails. And that is all you have to do to crochet over your tails. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were doing this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.